let's unbox this Caline Python Compressor. Still in the box, just got it in, so I'm gonna roll up. Y'all don't even see my face. We're gonna unbox it, take a look at it. Alright, here's how it looks when you get them. The brochure comes in it, just sitting on the top there. Pretty colorful pedals, kind of like comic book maybe. The art on them, really, they kind of took that out of the box from everybody else as far as the graphics on their pedals. The pedals are mini pedals, not as small as Tone City, but they're smaller pedals. I think one of the things I like, I was going to tell you guys something else, but I like the fact that on the bottom there's no rubber feet on there. You can just slap your Velcro on there, which actually comes in the box too. So cool with the no rubber feet on there. Good graphics, good housing, real thick, sturdy kind of feel to them. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just take this thing now and listen. Alright, so this is just room mic. Y'all that follow this channel, you know how I do it. I'm not running through any kind of DAW, I'm not doing any processing or whatever. You guys will hear this pedal how it would sound in the room if you're practicing or teaching or whatever. More kind of a live feel. So this is just the single coils. I got a split rail back here on this X Squire that I built. You guys have seen that all over the place. So this is what you're going to hear now. No compressor. Now, put the compressor on 12 o'clock. I don't know what it's going to do. Y'all going to hear this first time, same as me. So, here we go. Okay, so far I like it. The clipping is what I'm really most curious about. I played a bunch of compressors, so I don't need to go too much. Let's see. Well, I'm not sure what it does. I was expecting to have a little bite. Maybe it will if I have this a little louder. I don't even know what it does. Let me turn it off. Maybe I can hear the difference more. Okay, there's a difference. It's a little bit, it's called clipping. I don't know if I'd call it clipping. Maybe like a slight boost. So I'll keep doing that. I'm just playing my A and my D, so I can use my other hand. So watch. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but this gives it a little push, I guess. Hear it on the board with my other pedals. I'll slap it on there. When I come back, we'll do that. Alright, so sounds pretty good. Sounds a little shrill. Sorry about that, but you guys are hearing it the first time with me. I haven't used this pedal at all, so it's running into the black T. I'm gonna back the level off a little bit. Python into the Nasty Bear. Let's see what happens. Nasty Bear just by itself. I've got volume on 11, tone on 1, sustain on 1, and it sounds like this. Okay, same thing, I'm going to switch to humbucker though. Alright, thanks for checking it out. That is the Python Compressor from Caline. So far I like it, so it'll probably stay on this one. This is another little board. You guys keep seeing on my little board, it's another little board, but I think I'm going to keep it. This is what we got on there. The tuner that powers up everything. You saw Python, Black Tea, Nasty Bear, Golden Plexi, that's Daddy right there. Bucket Brigade Chorus, that's JRR. Maleco analog delay. Then I've got the reverb, which is also from Caline. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time.
Thank you for watching this Melbooker music video. For information on in-person lessons or one-on-one video lessons, please visit melbookermusic.com.